everybody. Keep watching to see how I transform this fluid pour from this to this. Hi everybody, I'm so happy you've decided to spend some time with me. My name is Soraya. Today I'm going to be showing you how I created this fluid pour. It's a fluid pour and a swipe, and I love the way it turned out. I've got commentary throughout the video and I've got up close pictures, so keep watching. Okay, so today I'm working on an 18-inch by 36-inch canvas. It's a gallery wrap, which means it's thicker all around. And that in centimeters is 45 centimeters by 91 centimeters. And so my idea is to have a cliff, and I'm going to swipe because I am loving the swipes lately. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to have a cliff swiped right here and then rushing water all the way down off to somewhere. So sit back and enjoy. I am loving using a swipe to create a mountain. It leaves so many beautiful details behind. It really is incredible for such a simple technique. I keep going with the swipe until I see something that I really love, and that's why sometimes you see me going over and over different areas. Right there, as soon as I swiped, I knew that that had to be a waterfall. Lean on me when you're not strong, and I'll be your friend. I'll help you carry on, for it won't be long till I'm gonna need somebody to lean on. If you're interested in purchasing the same hairdryer that I use, the link is in the description area below. Remember to keep your setting on cool. You do not want to heat the paint as you're blowing. Okay, and here it is from my side, and I've got some beautiful waves here. Lots of beautiful things to work with. Oops, there's a big white splotch there. I can work with that. Anyway, and I definitely want these to be waterfalls. I'm loving waterfalls lately as well. And look at this. It's just so beautiful. I put in some purple, not sure that I'm going to keep that. I kind of like it right there, kind of behind, but this is kind of too dominant. So I think I'm going to change that up, but I will definitely enhance this. Loving this section here. And this, I mean, it's all beautiful. So yeah, I can't wait for it to dry. It'll take, as usual, 1 to 2 days, probably 2. and I will let you know. So I'll see you back here in just one sec. So here's the painting all dried up. That took 3 days to dry, surprisingly, but it turned out so beautiful. Look at this water. I love that lacing. I don't think I'm going to be doing too much enhancing to it, to this water section. I will probably do some, but I think it looks really great. I love the movement in it. You know that I love movement in my water. And then the cliff here looks great. It turned out a little bit darker. It dried darker. So I'm going to be enhancing it to change that up a bit and make it a bit more interesting. And of course, there's no sky done yet. The waterfalls are really cool. And that purple seems to have toned down after it dried. And I really do love this section. This whole section here looks fabulous. So I'm looking forward to enhancing it, and I'm going to start that right now. Even though this very much looks like a waterfall, there's still a lot of work to get it to look like a real waterfall. Over the many hours and days that it took to complete this cliff did go through a number of changes, and it does sometimes take that long for it to appear. As I'm painting, I often step back and take a look at the overall view of the painting, and I know then what needs to be worked on. Sometimes it's easy to get lost in the detail of the work and forget the overall look, and that's why I do that. As I paint, I often change my mind about the composition, and it's okay, it's just paint, just go with the flow. This rock is a perfect example of what I just said. It kind of started it off as more of a squarish looking, and as I kept working on it, I decided, no, I like the round edges of it, and there you go, changed from square to round. All these minor details give so much interest to the painting, and it's really important to do. You can see behind the rock that I'm working on some purple highlights, and that's because the original swipe had some purple and I wanted to tie it in. I absolutely love the water details in this section, and I'm just working with a very light touch to add just a few more. I I started off with the idea of a bunch of small rocks up there, but that soon changed. As an artist, you determine the scale of things, but you can also tell when something's working and when something is not. If you haven't seen me create a sky before, that is a sponge that I'm using, and it's just a regular kitchen sponge. If you like what you're seeing in this video, I would really appreciate it if you would subscribe. I decided to use a color in the sky that is not strictly purple, but has hints of purple in it to tie it in with the purple that I've already put into the cliff. The trees are another example of scale. I love the idea of this one lonely tree by itself. Just adding some highlights to play on the idea of a beautiful evening light. Okay, so here is the finished painting, and I love it. I think it turned out great. I changed just a little bit and I added some more kind of rocks up there, smaller ones. The waterfalls look great. Love the details in the water here. I didn't do too much to it because I felt it really didn't need it. I love the glow coming from behind these rocks. And I wasn't sure whether I would leave those, but I think it was really good to leave them. They added a little bit more interest. And the purple, even though I thought wasn't a great idea, got tied in when I did the sky. That little bit of purple tinge really helps to bring out the purple in the cliff. And there it is, all done. Click on the link you see now to see more of my enhanced pours. Check out the description area below for the specific color names and links where you can buy them. Here is the painting before I enhanced it. And here is the painting after I enhanced it. If you enjoyed watching, give this video a thumbs up. Check out my new Facebook group called SorayaSilvestriArtist, Amazing Abstracts and Pours, Promote Your Art. The link is in the description area below.